I mixed chicken, potatoes and onions and made a lunch that surprised everyone. For this recipe, we will be cutting 300 grams of chicken breast. I will cut it into cubes. And then be hitting like this with a knife to make it very thin. I will now be grating a medium onion. It should stay like this here. And also grate 2 medium potatoes. And guys, this recipe is super easy to make. I'm sure you all will love it. In a container, I will add the chicken, the potato, and the onion. And now we are going to mix these 3 ingredients very well. People are already commenting to me from which city you are watching us. I'll send you a super special hug for each of you who are commenting. I will now add an egg, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, and mix very well. And guys, today I'm going to send a big hug to Olivia from Los Angeles. Thank you so much for always following us. I thank you immensely. In a frying pan I will add a drizzle of oil. And adding with the help of a spoon our chicken, right? Like this here. Make it very thin, right? Which is to cook very well. Cooking one side. I'm going to be turning to fry the other side and always on low heat, right? And our recipe is ready. And it was super delicious chicken. I'm sure all of you who do will not regret it. It will be a delicious lunch. So if you liked it, share it, and until next time. Goodbye.